Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, Lauren was talking about a winning forecast, and for tonight, boy, absolutely. Look at that. We have a clear sky, really nice conditions going on. The temperatures this morning, boy, they were cold. Check out what happened in Minot. 16 degrees to start the day. It was a little bit warmer in western North Dakota. 19 was all it could muster in the capital city, and we're going to have 27 in Medora, 25 in Hettinger. Really cold weather, even 19 in Watford City. So very, very cold way to start the day. Now, here's what you need to know for the next day or so. Now, tomorrow, we're going to start off with most of the temperatures mainly in the 30s. And then for the high temperatures, probably 50s widespread. However, once again, tomorrow there's likely to be some 60s, and there's going to be a chance of rain tomorrow. Now, not a good chance, but it is at least a chance. 56 degrees right now in Bismarck. The wind's out of the south-southeast at 17 miles per hour, and in Minot, 57 degrees. East-southeast wind is at 14 in Minot. And in Williston, the temperature is 62 beautiful degrees. Southeast wind at 16 miles an hour in Williston. And in Dickinson, we're looking at 61. South-southeast wind at 20 miles an hour. Here are some of the other temperatures around the area, and 50s and 60s. 62 in Williston right now, and you can see Hettinger at 57 degrees. Just really, really pleasant temperatures. It has been a little bit breezy. We're talking at roughly 10 to 20 miles an hour most of the day, southeasterly wind. And when we're looking around the rest of the country here, and even the south of us, I wanted to show you something here. This would be the water vapor imagery. Now, this is moisture way up in the clouds. And if you're doing any traveling this weekend, what you're seeing right here, this thing right here, Hurricane Willa, is going to cause a problem for the East Coast if you're going to be traveling. Now, not right now. Right now, it's a Cat 4, but watch what happens. Now, I'm going to kind of jump this ahead a little bit. So by Thursday morning, it really won't be much of a problem for the Northeast with high pressure in place. The center of the storm then should probably be somewhere close to Louisiana, at least for Thursday morning. And then by Thursday evening, that high pressure in the Northeast, if you're traveling, still holding. So the weather's going to be pretty nice, at least through Thursday night. You can see the storm that is a hurricane now. By Thursday, it's going to be along the Gulf Coast. Once we get to Friday morning, now it starts heading towards the East Coast, and it should go right up the Atlantic seaboard, and this is going to be a major nor'easter, and it may pull in some cold enough air to get some snow in here, but we're talking about some likely travel delays, a lot of rain, a lot of wind. So if you are doing any traveling, it is going to be a bit of a problem. Now, on our precision cast, tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock, notice how there's only a shade or two of green. Well, yeah, we have a chance of rain, but it's not going to be widespread. We have a slight chance Thursday afternoon. Again, not widespread. Friday, another chance, but none of this is really widespread. It's not until we get to Saturday we start seeing some deeper greens here that we have at least a little better chance of maybe some measurable rain. So our forecast temperatures for tomorrow early in the morning, I think will be in the 30s and 40s as opposed to the teens and 20s. And then by lunchtime tomorrow, maybe heading out, temperatures most places will be in the 50s. And then tomorrow afternoon, we could have some widespread 60s across the west and close to 60 degrees elsewhere. And then as we check out the next 7 days, these are really decent temperatures. It looks like for the weekend, there's a 40% chance of rain on Saturday in the north and about a 30% chance of rain in the south on the weekend. So Lauren and Chad, if you have outdoor plans this weekend, we may have some rain, but it's not going to be a washout.
Okay, we'll still try and get outdoors then.
That's right.